What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on this crypto called Muse, which has been pumping quite a bit in the last 24 hours. So that's what we're going to be looking into today. How high and how low can this crypto go, and covering both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it a good time to buy, is it a good time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it? So as you can see, it has gone up nearly 47% up in the last 24 hours, making it just under $15. So where is it heading to next? My prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. And also, a lot of people have been asking me, is it too late to get into it? So that's also what we're going to be covering in today's video. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So on the Coinbase website, Muse is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours after Chrono.tech. I did make a video on Chrono.tech earlier today. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out as well. It's been pumping like crazy, as you can see, over 190% in the last 24 hours. So Muse has pumped up 15% in the last hour itself, which is absolutely insane, guys. Again, 15% may not seem like a lot, but when it's within just an hour, it is an absolutely incredible amount. Over the last day, 46%. We did see it go all the way to $19 earlier this afternoon, dropped all the way down to about $12, and right now pumping back up. And over the week, 23%, and over the month, a massive 386%. There was a time where it did literally hit, let's have a look, $20.21. This was back last month, dropped back down, and right now slowly starting picking up in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here that the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1000% in the last 24 hours, making it $7.8 million. And there is no doubt that this number here is gonna go up over the next couple of hours as it's pumping up again. So we are going to see a lot more traders, a lot more buyers, a lot of sellers, and as you can see, we've got a lot of people investing into it. 75% buy against 25% sell. So yeah, let me know what you guys are doing. Are you guys buying it, are you selling it, or are you just holding on to it? Comment them down below. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart at the moment, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Muse, which is currently $10.05. However, it is trading at a much higher value at $15, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, as usual, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as usual, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are not looking as steep as they were meant to, which is good because it looks much more realistic and much more stable. So minimal increases in value are again expected over the coming hours, and it's likely to go towards the $17 to $18 mark over the next 3, 4, 5 hours, and then potentially drop back down in value. As you guys can see here, even earlier today, this afternoon, it peaked all the way to $19, it dropped back down, and right now it's picking up again. I'm expecting it to go even further than what it's worth at the moment, and then drop back down in value. So overall, but let's say by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, we should expect an overall increase in value, potentially heading towards the $16 to $17 mark, somewhere around there. But again, do bear in mind that dips are always part of the process, so we are going to see a dip to about $12 to $13 as well, or even lower than that in between. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, once again we are looking bullish. However, this time we are looking quite steep. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are literally going in a positive direction, looking very bullish, going in a steep direction, which does not look too realistic, because if I went by what this chart is showing us, is basically consistent peaks in value over the next 7-8 days. So towards the end of next week, we should be at a much higher value than what it's worth at the moment, which is not what I'm expecting. Overall, to be honest with you, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. So over the next 7 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting it to drop back down towards the SMA indicator, which is $12.15. So more or less fluctuating around the $12 mark is what I'm expecting by the end of next week. But again, That doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down. But what I'm saying is the overall outcome towards the end of next week seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can you see over the next, let's say 5-6 weeks? So mid-August to late August, we should expect an overall increase in value. Again, we are not looking as steep as the previous chart, so it's looking much more realistic. So again, minimal increases in value are expected over the coming weeks, so potentially heading towards the $20 mark is what I'm expecting. However, as you guys know, cryptocurrency has been very volatile, so all of 2022 with major drops and so on. Not too positive, but more of a negative effect on the crypto market. But hopefully we should be able to U-turn that and go into a positive direction for the rest of the year. But again, it all depends on Bitcoin. More or less, Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market, controlling it, going in a positive and negative direction. So guys, to make it easier for you guys, what I have done is make a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on crypto like Bitcoin, on what to expect, what to predict, is it moving in a bullish or bearish direction, what price target is likely to hit, so on and so on. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to that will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. But don't worry guys, for those of you who do get involved for $14.99 and are able to use this discount code, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. Any questions, any queries, don't hesitate to DM me on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, what to expect, what to predict, so on and so on. And also I give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. So back to Muse we go. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see guys, we are unfortunately still trading in the red zone. We've been trading in the red zone since 2020. Let's say, have a look here, around April 2021, and then we obviously peaked all the way up here. This was back in August last year, and then dropped back down, peaked back up in January this year, dropped back down, and right now we are slowly and steadily starting to slowly increase in value and potentially hitting the green zone very late this year is what I'm expecting. I'm not expecting us to pump up to the green zone anytime soon, but towards the end of the year is when I'm expecting for us to hit the green zone. But again, I will make sure to keep you guys updated in between that, obviously with regular updates on Muse as you guys have requested. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Muse guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.